My video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the new ransomware type application. This ransomware is called Labor. My video is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. So you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, we were able to open our files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and all other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Labor ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer. Very soon, users realize that they cannot actually open their files because Labor extension has been appended to the file names. The ransomware note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus by going to the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully investigating your computer. Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which could still possibly remain on the system. The application is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on this start scan button, which you see, and after you do that, the program will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of threats. So after you do that, make sure the antivirus database is properly updated. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate all other types of infections which might still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Certain threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium, and this way your data will always be protected from further ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, also in the description to this video, please find a special link which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your data.